importance of number 19. Air fill up in balloon, then its volume inflated by constant rate. Volume inflated by constant rate means dV by dt. Rate means with respect to time. When used rate word, then it's with respect to time. dV by dt equal to K means volume inflated by constant rate. Therefore, dV by dt equal to constant K is given. And balloon is spherical. Balloon is sphere. Okay. Therefore, V is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Let differentiation with respect to t. dV by dt equal to 4 pi r square and dr by dt. This differentiation is not with respect to r. It is with respect to t. Therefore, I am writing 4 pi r square into dr by dt. With respect to t, therefore must be write down dr by dt. Now dv by dt is equal to k constant. dv by dt is equal to k constant. 4 pi r square dr by dt. Now change the sign. K dt equal to 4 pi r square dr. Now let integration. Let integration. Again, 4 pi is a constant. R square dr. K is a constant. 1 dt. Therefore, 4 pi r cube upon 3. 4 pi r cube upon 3 K. Integration of 1 with respect to t is equal to dt plus c. Therefore, 4 pi change the side of 3. R cube equal to 3 kt plus c. At the initial, now we have to give one, at the initial radius is 3. At the initial radius is 3. Therefore, t is equal to 0, then r equal to 3. Put here t equal to 0 and r equal to 3. With the help of this condition, first we have to find out a c, a value of c. There are two constants, k and c. R equal to 3. 4 pi 3. K t equal to 0. 3 cube equal to 27. 9 fours are 36 pi. Put value of c is here. That's why it is 4 pi r cube. 4 pi r cube. 4 pi r cube 3 kt 36 pi. 3 kt 36 pi. Now second condition. After 3 seconds, t equal to 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, radius is 6. Therefore, put t equal to 3 and r equal to 6. 4 pi 6 cube equal to 3, t equal to 3, k plus c equal to 36 pi. Okay. Now 3, 3 and 3 common. 6 pi, 6 into 6 into 6, 3 into 3, k plus 12 pi. Okay. Now therefore, 3 2s are 3 2s are 6 6 are 36, 36 2s are 72, 72 2s are 72 2s are 72 144 k plus 12 pi. Okay, 3 common, t equal to 3. Therefore, k equal to 144 pi minus 12 pi. 6 cube. Okay. Here is 4. Here is 4, but I am writing here 6. Suppose 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 4s are 96. This is 96 pi. This is 96 pi. Okay, 96 pi minus 12 pi. K equal to 84 pi. These all values substituting here. K equal to 84 pi. That's why 4 pi r cube equal to 3. K equal to 84 pi into t plus 36 pi. Let common 4 pi r cube. Let common 4. 3 into 4. 4 common, 4 pi common. 4 pi common. Therefore, 4 pi common means 21t plus 4 pi common here. 4 pi means 9. This is only 9. 9. 4 pi cut. Therefore, r cube equal to, let 3 inside. 21 3s are 63t plus 9 3s are 27. Therefore, r equal to 63t plus 27 raised to 1 by 3. Here r cube. Therefore, I remove cube. When I remove cube, then let 1/3 both the side. Therefore, 63t plus 27 raised to 1 by 3. This is your value of r.